ready to blast off into the world of Ethereum. Today, we're going to show you exactly how to snag some ETH using the Binance app, making the process super simple and straightforward. First things first, if you don't already have the Binance app, download it from your app store. Once installed, open the app and tap on sign up to create your account. You will need to provide your email address or phone number and create a secure password. Security is key. Binance will guide you through a verification process, usually involving submitting a photo ID and completing a facial verification scan. This ensures your account is protected and compliant with regulations. Now that your account is verified, it's time to fund it. Tap on deposit and you'll see various options. You can deposit cryptocurrency if you already own some, or you can buy crypto using fiat currency like USD or EUR with options such as credit card, debit card, or bank transfer. Choose the method that works best for you and follow the on-screen instructions. Once your account is funded, navigate to the trading interface. You can usually find this by tapping on trade or markets at the bottom of the screen. Search for the ETH trading pair you want, for example, ETH USDT. If you're using USDT to buy Ethereum, you'll now see a buy and sell section. Since we're buying Ethereum, focus on the buy section. Choose the type of order you want to place. A market order will buy Ethereum at the current market price, while a limit order allows you to set a specific price you're willing to pay. Enter the amount of ETH you want to buy or the amount of fiat currency you want to spend. Review all the details carefully, and once you're happy, tap on Buy ETH. Binance will then execute your order. Congratulations! You've successfully purchased Ethereum. You can now find your ETH in your Binance wallet by tapping on Wallet at the bottom of the screen. You're now ready to explore the exciting world of Ethereum.